What is going on, guys? Your boy Ozzy here, back with another video. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day as always. Today we're gonna hit up base. Damn, I had a brain fart. I don't know why. We're gonna hit up base. We haven't hit base in a while. The last time they hosted was on Saturday or Sunday. I don't remember, but I was out and I couldn't go. Kind of bummed, but anyways, we're here filling up with corn, like always. Oh, don't tell me they ran out of E, bro. That shit don't want to pump no more. Guys, I'm an idiot. It was full. Now I have E all over my smallest bomb though. I have E all over my gas cap, but we're gonna head out. We're gonna pre-meet with, I think, 2 of the homies. Not sure yet. 2. Pick up the vlog once we get there. All right, guys, we are here at the pre-meet, and if you guys can guess, these foods aren't ready. It's about we're gonna get to like 30 minutes, probably like an hour into the meet.
Well, the rollout is at 10.
It is?
Yeah. Do you not look at flyers, babe?
Oh my god, bro.
We're leaving now. Or no, I think they just need to move cars.
Ask for us, dude.
What's up, bro?
What's up? Good to see you.
All right, you guys, we are here at the freaking spot. It is packed. I didn't expect it to be this packed. To be honest, holy crap. This is a last minute car meet too. Like, they literally posted this shit today and it is ridiculously packed. I don't know where we're gonna park.
The drive is like...
We all leave this way every time.
I was like this, babe.
Oh, damn, El Camera girl.
I'm rusty.
That's true, you are. You damn, you haven't. Not even in the last video, you're, oh, well, kinda, the intro. Yeah. We don't find, bro, this is ridiculously packed. Freaking Elias can't even get in the Turbo S. This is crazy. I had to park right here, bruh. Raw her.
Hey, 2 to 5, come on now.
Supra Infinity. What is that? I don't know my cues like that. That thing's on a tire. I'm sure it's fast. Upgraded turbo. C7 on a tire. G82 over there. Yeah. Right off the rip when we come into like the supercar in parking spots. Damn, man, I said that so wrong.
What?
Right off the rip when we come into the supercar parking lot, we have a Huracan with a carbon fiber front splitter. We have a STO over here on the right with carbon in the front too. And then over here we have a GTR. Is it an Nismo? Could be a Nismo. Nah, I don't know. And behind it we have a R34 with a carbon hood, white wheels. This thing is sick. GTR. Oh, where's the carbon trunk and the wing? What about the diffuser? Yup. Bro, Riley brought his freaking Viper out. Brand new. He just bought it. This thing is twin turbo though. He did not buy a stock Viper. I like the green calipers. This thing is sick. Another Huracan M4 with crazy underglow. Looks nice on camera. Look at her. Already looking at the F82. Looks sick on camera.
That does look sick.
C6, that's a ZR1. I wish, one day. It sounds like a twin turbo Huracan just showed up. Twin turbo Huracan. Oh my god. Bro. You see the flames on the trees? crazy over there. Fuck. I think it's almost time to head out. I think that's why everyone's acting crazy. Yeah, 9:58. Bro, he's revving it again. This is the thing that was just spitting those huge ass flames earlier. Fucking turbo's hitting right there on each side. It's just clean forged carbon. I think this guy has a lot of forged carbon. No, I don't know. This thing is clean as hell, bro. This thing is nice. Forged carbon right there. And right here on the hatch. Alright, you guys, we have a pink R8 right here. I'm sorry, it's really dark, but we have a pink R8. And then behind the R8, we have a pink G82 M4 with hella carbon hood, the grille, the front splitter, side mirrors, side skirt, the whole roof, the wing. Oh, missing the diffuser, missing the This shit is sick though. Damn. One day. Bro, what the fuck? Bro, what? Why is this jet spinning flames? Why is it jet spinning What the fuck? Bro, why is that Volkswagen Jetta spitting flames? That's funny. They announced a driver's meeting though. We got the address. We're gonna head out. Hopefully we get some good shots of the supercars. Yeah. Alright guys, we made it to the other spot. I left way too damn early. I caught no cars, bro. Way too damn early. We're here at this Chevron. Same one where the Senna pulled up, like right here. But yeah. Bro, it took forever to just get that, bro. They're not letting anyone in the gas station because of this disaster. Oh, yep, cops over there and cops over here. Bro, we gotta leave like now. All right, you guys, the cops, they walked on foot over here and they spoke with the, I don't know, the clerk inside. I don't know. And they're pretty much kicking us out nicely. They weren't rude. Wouldn't be surprised, bro. We're not doing anything stupid. I'm glad they were chill. Yep. We're out. He just stared. Oh my god.
Did I hit the mirror? I'm sorry guys if you guys couldn't see, if I was just recording the fucking dark ass mirror.
Fuck. And we're pretty much here, a minute away. Got the homie Willie right here. Damn! Alright guys, we made it to the third and final location. I hope you guys enjoyed those little rollers. This guy did not want to drive quick with us. We weren't even driving that fast either. He was going like 40 on the freeway. Parked next to this clean little C8. I want a Z06 of this so bad. That shit's chopping. Damn, black on gold. Voodoo Mastermind. That shit's sick. Ooh, sheepy? Sheepy Turbo S? Alright, so I don't know, like not that many supercars showed up at the end. We got 1, 2, 3 Huracans, Turbo S, what else?
There's a
The
few
ZR1?
McLarens on this side too.
Oh yeah, the 2 McLarens. That's it. Look at this freaking bro's about to scrape. Bro, this dude, he drives the shit out of this thing. Every car meet, he's always there. Every single drive, he's there. It doesn't matter how far it is, he will be there. It's how a STO is meant to be driven. Yo, this ZR1 is freaking sick. He has like the wheels I want, but like in a beadlock form. That's sick, yo. This shit's bad. Damn, the wheels I freaking want. Sheesh. This shit's sick, bro. One day, I'll own a ZR1. Hopefully. I want to start moving up through the trims, but I don't want to get rid of my car. I like my car. I don't know.
You buy me a Grand Sport.
Buy you a Grand Sport? Girl.
And then you get a Z06. And then, or no, it could be the other way. You could get a Grand Sport, I'll get a Z06, and then you can.
Hell no.
We're going to the trim.
Alright guys, we left that little spot. I don't even know why we went there. Was it for the pizza spot or was it for the taco spot? I thought we were gonna go to some chicken spot. But yeah, we left. Everyone pretty much bounced. The only people who are there are the ones who actually ordered food. Gonna head home. Damn, I'm not leaking the address, our address. Yeah, we're gonna go home. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, don't forget to like and comment. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.